Welcome to BPE, where powering the future isn't just a mission, it's our passion. BPE Year Project Overview 2023. Let's journey through extraordinary projects by Team BPE. Delhi Safe City and Ministry of Home Affairs, proud to contribute to a multi-million-dollar government initiative ensuring nationwide safety. Supplying over 2,000 UPS units, including 400 kVA and 300 kVA in Delhi, Chandigarh, and Nagpur for critical data center applications. Yata Hiranandani Data Center, from Greater Noida to Mumbai and Gandhinagar, installing around 10 units of 500 kVA and 300 kVA modular UPS with lithium batteries, providing robust power solutions. Our scalable solutions seamlessly unite traditional classrooms and virtual learning spaces, paving the way for a brighter future. At BPE, we empower today's students, tomorrow's decision makers, with uninterrupted access to knowledge. Through projects like the Telangana School, Hansraj College Delhi UP Smart Class Project, Punjab Education Initiative, and ICT initiatives in Punjab, MP, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha, BPE has fortified educational foundations with over 25,000 UPs of various kVA installations. Representing a total project value of up to $7 million, BPE supplied UPS systems across all ICT projects, underpinning empowered school learning. TANFANET. In the realm of infrastructure development projects, Northern Railway's CCTV initiative saw the installation of 3,200 rack-mounted UPS systems, ensuring seamless operations. Meanwhile, Power Grid Corporation strengthened grids in Patna and Kolkata with 2 units of 40 kVA UPS systems. Additionally, numerous UPS systems were deployed across various institutions including DRDO, ISRO, BARC, and ITI Limited, with 3 units of 400 kVA UPS installed. ET Group, Tata Power Metering Factory, at MSETCL Mumbai at 4 strategic locations, BPE has installed 60 kVA units to support crucial power infrastructure. Over 1,000 units of 2 kVA UPS systems were provided for petrol pumps under BPCL and IOCL, enhancing automation processes. In critical healthcare applications, Alangers Medical, National Rural Health Mission Odisha, MCL Odisha BPE deployed over 600 locations with 3 kVA UPS units, supplemented by 10 units of 100 kVA UPS systems for Path Lab applications. Apart from AIIMS Aligarh, Lal Path Lab and GB Pant Hospital, Shimadzu Medical, Akash Healthcare Private Limited Delhi and Agra, we installed up to 3 units of 120 kVA. In the dynamic world of finance, UPS systems serve as indispensable backups, and BPE stands out as the go-to power solution for prestigious institutions like HDFC Bank, IDBI Bank, Kotak Bank, Aditya Birla Finance, Bajaj, L&T, and Muthoot Finance, deploying over 1,000 units ranging from 3 kVA to 60 kVA, including higher capacity units like 250 kVA at Union Bank of India and 120 kVA at RBI Jammu, underscores our unwavering commitment to quality and excellence in servicing these critical sectors. Furthermore, BPE's reach extends beyond the financial realm. We've equipped 30 multiplexes including PVR with UPS systems ranging from 40 kVA to 160 kVA, and powered over 400 outlets of Domino's and Pizza Hut, demonstrating our versatility and reliability. Diversifying into various industries, BPE's product range caters to a wide array of applications. From supporting large-scale manufacturing with 500 kVA units at Key Cable, 400 kVA at cell phone case manufacturing in Greater Noida, and 500 kVA along with 250 kVA units at Darshan Polyplex in Mysore, our presence is felt across diverse sectors. Notably, our collaboration with Foxconn at the Apple iPhone manufacturing factory in Chennai, where we supplied 19 units of 500 kVA, showcases our superiority over other multinational corporations, highlighting the global acceptability of our Made in India UPS systems. In summary, the past year BPE has been marked by impressive numbers: 45,000 UPS systems ranging from 1 kVA to 3 kVA, 3,000 units from 6 kVA to 20 kVA, and over 2,000 units of more than 20 kVA 3-phase supplied to various projects. Across continents, BPE stands as the driving force behind global expansion, strategically partnering with Atunzal Asia to soar across Indonesia, Singapore, the Philippines, and Thailand. In Vietnam, We've forged an alliance with IDC, while BPE IP leads the charge in the Philippines. Our cutting-edge UPS systems illuminate the aisles of prominent UAE retailers, including illustrious names like the Ministry of Interior in Qatar, Rak Hospital in Dubai, Samara Jewelry in Dubai, Gulf Technical Support in Oman, and Global Air Navigation in Abu Dhabi. Our international footprint extends further, with landmark projects like the collaboration with Singapore Airlines and the formidable Grasshopper 120 kVA UPS mini data center. Noteworthy installations include over 200 UPS units empowering University Pendidikan Sultan in Perak, Malaysia, alongside a series of robust installations OFV28 NOS ranging from 60 kVA to 200 kVA at the Electricity Department in Jakarta, Indonesia. With our Made in India ethos reverberating globally, our products are embraced with open arms in international markets. Bolstered by steadfast distributors and visionary leaders in every corner of the globe, BPE is primed to leave an indelible mark on the international stage. In the past year, BPE made significant strides, participating in numerous exhibitions, events, technology seminars, and partner training programs across Bangkok, Goa, Dubai, and beyond. Showcasing our product features at renowned events like Data Center World Singapore, Gates Bali, and Data Center W Media in Saudi Arabia, along with product launches in Vietnam, the Philippines, and Indonesia, we're dedicated to leaving a lasting impression. At BPE, we believe in cultivating a team of seasoned experts while nurturing our existing talent to become leaders in the power sector. We've reinforced our enterprise team with top-tier hires like Vishal Chuk from Socom and Ravindra Kulkarni from Vertiv, who bring invaluable experience to lead our enterprise business to new heights. Moreover, we're thrilled to welcome Sam Teo as President of the ASEAN region, signaling our unwavering commitment to global expansion. Our donation of over $5 million to the BPE Foundation, Omkar Gadi, reflects our steadfast commitment to uplifting underprivileged communities, particularly in Orissa. As we set our sights on Vision 25 with a target revenue of 100 million Singapore dollars, BPE's momentum is unstoppable. Together, with our visionary partners, let's elevate our efforts to achieve unprecedented success. We must thank our logistics departments for successfully executing 12,673 deliveries in a year. Thank you, BPE team, for your dedication. Looking forward to embarking on our next extraordinary projects together.